Hello creative friends, this is Joy. So this is the third video in a series of creating a junk journal, and in this video I am making paper clips to go into the junk journal that I created. So here I've got some really colorful paper clips that I've had for a while, and I decided to make them into decorative paper clips that I could put in the junk journal that I made. And I've got some scrap white paper here out of my stash that I cut down, and I just folded it, put it into the paper clip and folded it over. And now I'm going through my little scrap stash. I do have some scraps of different colored papers and stuff that I've collected, from projects. And then here I've got some die cuts that I have in my stash that I decided that I was going to use some of these on the paper clips. And I'm using this 3-in-1 glue that I've been using the whole time that I've been creating this junk journal. And it works okay, but it's a really smelly glue. It's pretty stinky. So here I'm cutting and then tearing pieces so that it kind of, fits within the confines of the paper clip, and showing you a little close-up there of that paper clip. And then here I'm doing another one. And one of the things I realized when I was doing this is I was making them all where they go one way on the page, because this, putting it in there this way means that you would slide it onto the side of the page and then, put something under it. And so then I had to just, purposely decide to reverse the paper clip the other way so that I had some that would go in one way, some that would go in the other way. And then you'll see here that I also made some that, would go on the top. So here I'm just, again, putting the paper in there, folding it over, gluing it down, and then rifling through my scraps to find, some paper that would cover that, and a die cut, to stick onto it. And some of these, like that orange piece and the blue one that was on the previous one, it was actually little swatches of paint samples that I had done. And I thought, yeah, those would be kind of, cute to like use it somewhere on something. And this just happened to have been the perfect project to use these on. So they're just like little, swatch samples, or, practicing blending with paint. So they worked out perfectly for this project. So that's another paper clip that I created. And then here is, well, this looks like I'm going the same way, but you'll see here in a minute where I go from, I'll put the paper clip so that it clips on the top of the page. But yeah, I was having all kinds of fun making these paper clips and using up these scraps. It was a lot of fun, and I ended up making, I have 5 sections in the journal I created. So if you haven't seen that video where I actually created the journal, check out my channel and go back and you can watch that. I also did a video on decorative edges and now paper clips, and I have other videos that I recorded there's another paper clip for creating tags creating tags, creating pockets, creating belly bands, those kinds of things. And here's one where I'm doing it where you would clip it on the top. And so if you want to see the